Hello everyone and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode. I'm Marisa Mitsnikova. I'm CEO and founder of Mario Olivier Ltd and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. Today we will speak about something super heated that lots of people are asking me to do, and it's how to audit your LinkedIn page. So this is very much asked topic because a well-maintained LinkedIn profile is not just a static resume or business page, it's a dynamic representation of your professional brand. So conducting regular audits ensures that your profile accurately reflects your current goals, values, and expertise. The worst thing that you can do is to just forget update your experience, your bio, because then it creates a bit of problems with trust, with credibility, and you are also damaging yourself because you are actually not visible anymore for potential employers, because LinkedIn is actually tracking when was the last time updated your LinkedIn profile. So if you didn't update your LinkedIn profile for some time, do so, because this will already boost your connections really a lot. So first, definitely you need to take care of your old job titles or irrelevant projects or inactive page that you give the impression that you are not paying attention to your online presence. So definitely you should look at the different sections that you have here on your page. So if you got promoted, if everything looks all right, if something already finished, so the experience, also the education, and even the other sections that are additional, everything should be really in order for you to then for the people who land on your profile or business page, that that people will not get confused. So when users land on your profile or business page that hasn't been updated in months or years, they are less likely to interact with. So people always want to know what is the call to action, what is the new update about your business and about you. So there are 2 steps to conduct a LinkedIn page audit. So first, you should check the profile completeness and branding consistency. So first, when I land on someone's profile, so for example, I will use this one, you want to always look at the people's consistency in their branding. So here I don't really see a lot of branding or personal branding. It's really corporate profile. I'm just using this for the example because we can see here Google, and the person doesn't really have a personal brand or a really style as such, so we can really already assume that this person is employee. And we can also see that there is not really a call to action, what we should do, schedule something, etc. So the first is the profile completeness, when the person last time was posting. So this person is quite active, usually 1-2 times per week, and also she updated her experience, so account executive. And we can also see here that she inserted the most important values, so this is alright. Then we will also be evaluating the post engagement and content performance. So here we would click on show all posts, and we can evaluate if this person or yourself is actually having enough engagement during the posts, and what might be the reason if the posts are not getting enough attention. What are also some of the common LinkedIn profile mistakes is, for example, overusing buzzwords and generic descriptions. So, for example, all the time saying in the hook AI or things like this. And then the second mistake is ignoring analytics and not adjusting your strategy. So, if I'm going on my profile, and here I'm clicking on show analytics, I can see that my impressions are boosted. I also got quite like 3% more followers than the last week. So definitely there should be an analytics in your strategy. So I'm usually not posting during the weekend. You can see when there is a boost in my posts. I can also then see what worked, what didn't work, etc. for my different posts. And this is very, very important for your strategy and then adjusting it accordingly. So this is it. This is how you do a quick audit of your profile. If you want to know more about auditing personal branding, then reach out to me on mariolivi.com, and I will be looking forward to hear from you. I'm Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivi Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So I will see you next time. Bye.